The Rondo Dwarf Galago, scientifically known as Paragalago rondoensis, is a small primate species belonging to the Galago family, Galagidae. It is also commonly referred to as the Rondo Bushbaby or Rondo Galago. The conservation status of the Rondo Dwarf Galago is not well documented, but it is believed to be threatened due to habitat loss caused by deforestation and habitat fragmentation. Because they have a limited geographic range, any disturbances to their habitat can have a significant impact on their populations. Rondo Dwarf Galagos typically have gray or brownish-gray fur. They often have a distinctive dark stripe running down their back. Their fur coloration helps them blend into the tree bark and foliage of their forest habitat. These primates have a compact and slender build. They have large eyes adapted for excellent night vision, which is typical of bush babies. Their long fingers and specialized teeth are adapted for their diet, which includes gum and insects. Rondo Dwarf Galagos are among the smallest primates in the world. They have an average body length of approximately 12 to 15 centimeters. Their tails are relatively long, measuring about 13 to 18 centimeters. On average, Rondo Dwarf Galagos weigh approximately 40 to 45 grams, the same as a tennis ball. Their lightweight bodies make them well suited for their arboreal lifestyle, allowing them to move easily through the trees. Rondo Dwarf Galagos are primarily nocturnal, which means they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid daytime predators and allows them to exploit the resources available in their forest habitat during the night. These galagos are well adapted to life in the trees. They are excellent climbers and agile jumpers, using their powerful leg muscles to leap from branch to branch. Their long fingers and specialized toes are designed for grasping and clinging to tree branches and trunks. Rondo Dwarf Galagos are known to live either solitarily or in small family groups. Social structure can vary, but they typically communicate with each other using various vocalizations, including calls and songs. They may also engage in social grooming to maintain social bonds. Like many small primates, Rondo Dwarf Galagos are vulnerable to predation by various predators, including owls, snakes, and larger mammals. Their nocturnal behavior and agile movements help them avoid many potential predators. These are often used for general communication among group members and during social interactions. Chirps and clicks may serve to maintain contact, and they are separated in the trees or as a way to signal their presence to other galagos. Rondo Dwarf Galagos are known to produce more complex calls, which can include sequences of chirps, clicks, and whistles. These complex calls may convey information about their identity, social status, or territorial boundaries. When they perceive a threat or encounter a predator, Rondo Dwarf Galagos may emit loud and piercing screams or alarm calls. These vocalizations are meant to alert other group members to the danger. Some Galago species, including Rondo Dwarf Galagos, are known to sing. These songs are typically more melodic and rhythmic than other calls. Songs can serve various purposes, such as attracting potential mates or signaling their presence to other groups. When individuals want to locate each other within the group or maintain contact during nighttime activities, they may emit softer, less distinct contact calls. These calls help them stay connected in their tree-dwelling environment. Rondo Dwarf Galagos are insectivorous, meaning a significant portion of their diet consists of insects. They feed on a wide variety of insects, including beetles, ants, moths, grasshoppers, and other small arthropods. They are skilled hunters and use their keen eyesight, agility, and sharp teeth to catch and consume insects. One of the most distinctive aspects of their diet is their consumption of tree gums or sap. They have specialized adaptations for obtaining gum from trees. They use their sharp incisors and premolars to gouge tree bark, creating openings from which gum oozes out. They then use their long, slender fingers to collect and consume the gum. Tree gum is a valuable source of carbohydrates and energy for them. Rondo Dwarf Galagos also include fruits in their diet when available. Fruits provide essential nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. They may feed on a variety of fruits found in their forested habitat. Like many other Galago species, Rondo Dwarf Galagos may feed on flower nectar. Nectar serves as a source of sugar and energy for them. They may visit flowers during the night to extract nectar. The breeding season for Rondo Dwarf Galagos can vary depending on environmental conditions and food availability. In some cases, it may be influenced by the rainy season when resources are more abundant. Breeding can occur at different times of the year, but it often corresponds with favorable conditions in their habitat. The breeding season for Rondo Dwarf Galagos can vary depending on environmental conditions and food availability. In some cases, it may be influenced by the rainy season when resources are more abundant. Breeding can occur at different times of the year, but it often corresponds with favorable conditions in their habitat. After mating, the female Rondo Dwarf Galago undergoes a gestation period, which typically lasts for about 90 to 120 days. The exact duration can vary among individuals and may be influenced by factors such as food availability and environmental conditions. Rondo Dwarf Galagos give birth to live offspring, usually one or two at a time. The young are born in a relatively undeveloped state and are initially small and helpless. They are carried by their mother, clinging to her belly or back. The female is primarily responsible for caring for and nursing the offspring. She provides milk and protection for her young. The young Galagos rely on their mother for nourishment and protection during their early stages of life. As the offspring grow, they transition from a diet of solely maternal milk to solid foods, including insects and other dietary items. Weaning typically occurs when the young are a few months old, although this timing can vary. As the young mature, they become more independent and gradually learn to forage for food on their own. The timing of full independence can vary among individuals. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.